Good morning to all. The previous classes we are discussing in the chapter of there we are discussing in the question answer and everything is over the motion. We are discussing the previous classes the motion. Okay, today class we are going to discuss the new chapter of energy. There, knowing the concept, we learning about the energy and unity of energy, different form of energy, law of conversion, it means one form to change another form, and really the some example way we are discussing the chapter of energy. First of all, what is energy? The ability to do work, it is called the energy. Energy means the ability to do work, it's called the energy. For example, two person are there, okay, one person will be 20-year-old, another person will be 40 years old. Both person we are giving the same kind of work. Who will be have the ability, the energy is more is there, that person will be complete the work fast and work also will be completed. But the who will be not have the ability, who have the less energy, the work will be the slow as well as incompleted work. When we are applied the force, okay, but if the body does not move on applying the force, then there will work is zero, there will work is zero. When we are applying the force way, the object moving one place to another place, then we can say the work is done. Now the types of energy, here we have the some types of energy: chemical energy, kinetic energy, sound energy, electrical energy, potential energy, heat energy, light energy, mechanical energy. These are the types of energy. Some other kind of energy also is there. See, the main natural source of the sun, it will be producing in the heat energy also, light energy also. Then one energy will be converted to another form of the energy. Okay, now we are going to discuss one by one. Okay, first, the what is kinetic energy? Simply we can say the motion of energy, it is called the kinetic energy. Here the definition way: energy passed by a body, due to its motion. When we are applying one force, okay, that force way, that object will be moving is there one place to another place. Here the example, you can take one vehicles, it's moving the heavy load of the container, it can move one place to another place. That is also one example of the kinetic energy. Now see the kinetic energy: when the body is moving, when an object at rest, there will be no any energy, there will be the kinetic energy will be zero. When the object or body is moving, then there will be the kinetic energy is there, the motion of energy is there. Now see, here the two car we are taking the example. One car will be the motion, another car will be the rest. Which car will be the rest of the motion? There no kinetic energy. Which car is moving, there will be the kinetic energy is there. The kinetic energy depending on motion. The kinetic energy means depending on motion. The motion means they are equal to zero. The kinetic energy will be zero. Now, what is potential energy? Simply we can say the potential energy means the storing of energy. The storing of energy. See the definition. The energy passed by a port to it is position or configuration in a force field. There will be the some force field is there, which are gravitational field, electric field, nuclear field. These are the force of the field. Gravitational field means the earth attract the towards our bodies. Okay. Nuclear field means the atomic energy. Now, what is meaning of gravitational potential energy? A mass attract to a compressed or stitched spring, that is called the elastic potential energy. Elastic potential energy. Okay. When one heavily body will be we are pick up, what happened? The downside will be the gravitational force will be applied. See the simple example. In front of you one table you kept in your books. The books will be applied one force, that is the force of downwards. Downward one force is there. But that book will be not fall down, because the opposite one force will be applied. Okay, one force will be downward force is there, another force upward force is there. That both force will be making equal, balancing. That's why that object will be not fall down, because of the gravitational force. There will be the potential energy will be the storing of energy. It's clear, no? Now, the another example way, aeroplane passes both. One aeroplane passes both kinetic energy and potential energy also is there. When an object is moving, it is passes kinetic energy. When an object gain a height, it is passes gravitational potential energy. Okay. Understood now the examples? When an object is moving, that aeroplane is moving, there will be the force of kinetic energy. When an object gains a height, the aeroplane is moving above the sea level. There will be above the earth. It is flying. There also the gravitational potential energy is there. Now see the chemical energy. What is meaning of chemical energy? The energy released or observed during a chemical reaction. When we are eating the food, that is also chemical reaction. The food we eat contain the chemical energy. We measure food chemical energy in the calories. Ice cream, it have the 145 calories. Apple 72 calories. Banana 105 calories. Okay. Whenever we are eating the food, that chemical reaction will be is there. It will be divided in the our body part, the storing of the energy. Different form of energy it will be divided. That is called the chemical energy. Now heat or thermal energy. Hot object passes more heat than cold object. Heat energy comes into the extents when you burn something. Okay, suppose in the winter time we need for some heat. What we can do? We are burning some things. What happen there? The heat will be extension. It means absorbing. Okay, that is called the thermal energy. Now, can you define the calories? What is meaning of calories? The amount of heat required. If you are when you are eating in the heavy food, that food digesting we need for the some amount of heat to rise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree centigrade. The 1 calorie equal to the 4.2 joule. This is called the calories. Now see the chemical energy and heat energy. The calories both will be needed for the calories, but chemical energy we need for the large amount of energy, but the heat energy we need the small amount of the energy. 1 calorie equal to 1000 heat calories, then 1 calories equal to 1 k calories. It's clear now? Now it is the sound energy. It enables us to either communicate or hear each other, but sound is produced in the form of vibration. Sound is producing the form of vibration. There will be the some communicate with to the each others. That is called the sound energy. Now it is the light energy. Light energy help us to see things. Light energy help us to see the objects. Can you see when there is no light at night? No, because there are no any visible. Source of light energy: stars, sun, bulb. The moon does not produce light because it reflects from the sunlight. Moon does not produce light because it is reflecting from the sunlight. Now the electrical energy. We received electrical energy. Many things are the phone, laptop, computer. Okay, other kind of the appliances are there. The electric energy is formed to converted to light energy, sound energy, heat energy. The electric energy too we can convert light energy, sound energy, heat energy. Okay. Now the definition of what is energy. The energy is the capacity of doing work. An object which can do more work is said to have more energy, and vice versa. That's why I said the example, the two person, one person will be 20-year-old, another person is the 40-year-old who will be doing in the work fast depending on the energy. For example, motorcycle has more energy than the bicycle. Okay, depending on the energy way the object moving fast. Now SI unit of energy. Since the energy is capacity of doing work, therefore the SI unit of energy is the same as of work. 1 joule of energy is required to do 1 joule of work. The SI unit of energy is joule and it is denoted by J. The large unit of energy kilojoule. Then it's denoted by kg. 1 kj equal to 1000 joule. These are the SI unit of energy. Okay, both the same. Now the different form of energy. The energy will be converted one form to another form. The mechanical energy. The energy used to display a body or to change the position of the body or to deform the body is known as the mechanical energy. It means that energy is displayed the body. It can change one position to another position. The mechanical energy we have the two types. One is the potential energy, another one is the kinetic energy. Potential energy means the energy is the storing of energy. Kinetic energy means the motion of energy. Now the definition of potential energy. The energy passed by a body of position or to state of string in the called the potential energy, the storing of energy. If a body is the position such that if it were released, it would be to move it has potential energy. There are two common form of potential energy, gravitational and the elastic. Example, the work done to lift a body above the ground level gives the potential energy of the body. Example, weightlifting. When we are weightlifting, there will be one storing of energy. Sometime we can stop it, then we can push up. Yes or no? That is called the potential energy. Now see the potential energy, the types. Gravitational potential energy. What is the meaning of the gravitational potential energy? When an object is allowed to fall from one level to the lower level, it gains speed due to gravitational pull. That's why it gains kinetic energy. Therefore, its past height. A body has the ability to convert its height into the kinetic energy. That's why it passes the potential energy. See, in your hand one stone you can pick up, there will be the downward one motion is there, because there will be the gravitational force are applied. Okay, that is the one storing of the energy. If a mass m is at the height above the lower level, the potential energy passed by the mass mg. What is meaning of elastic potential energy? Example, the rubber band. When we are full up the rubber band, it will be stitching is there, again it will be come to the remaining the same, the mean position. Some work has to be done to change the shape of the body. This work get stored in the deformed body in the form of elastic potential energy. The elastic potential energy is never negative, whether due to extension or to the compression. It is called the elastic potential energy. Now the kinetic energy. The kinetic energy of the object increasing with its speed. When we are firing the gun, there will be bullet will be releasing very fastly. The kinetic energy of an object moving with the velocity, it means speed, is equal to the work done on it to make it acquire that velocity. The kinetic energy is always positive, and it is the scalar quantity also. The fact that moving bodies carry the energy with them is provided by some of the several happenings in a day-to-day life. Example, the kinetic energy of the hammer is used to drive a nail into the wall. Bullet fire from a gun can into the target to it is the kinetic energy. Okay, today class we are discussing further the body's energy, the types of energy. This are we are discussing in the basically. Next class we will go through for the our books concept. Our book concept, what are the given, what is the unity of energy, the types of energy, the different form of energy, that we can discuss in the next class very detailedly. Today we are only discuss the generally the about the chapter of energy. Thank you and have a nice day.